Welcome to Home Pantry Pro, your go-to source for all things home and kitchen. Today, we're diving deep into a culinary powerhouse that promises to revolutionize your rice cooking experience, the CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker, Model CR-1020F. If you're tired of inconsistent rice, burnt bottoms, or gummy textures, this cooker might just be the solution you've been searching for. This isn't just another rice cooker. CUCKOO has packed this machine with an impressive array of features, starting with its sheer versatility. You get 16 distinct menu options right at your fingertips. This isn't just about white rice. We're talking glutinous rice, brown rice, even porridge, alongside steam and multi-cook functions. This level of customization means you can achieve perfect results for a wide variety of grains and dishes, moving beyond simple rice to become a true kitchen assistant. The capacity is also a significant draw, especially for larger households or if you frequently entertain. This cooker boasts a 10-cup uncooked rice capacity, which translates to a generous 20 cups of cooked rice. That's enough to feed a crowd, making meal prep for family gatherings or parties a breeze. No more multiple batches or worrying about running out of rice. At the heart of its performance lies fuzzy logic technology. For those unfamiliar, fuzzy logic allows the rice cooker to intelligently adjust cooking time and temperature based on the amount of rice and water, as well as ambient conditions. This takes the guesswork out of rice cooking, ensuring optimal texture and flavor every time. It's like having a professional chef inside your cooker, constantly monitoring and adjusting for perfection. User-friendliness is clearly a priority for CUCKOO. The digital controls are intuitive, and the LCD display provides clear information at a glance. But what really sets this cooker apart is the My Mode function. This is where you, the user, get to play chef. My Mode allows you to fine-tune the temperature to achieve specific rice flavors and textures. Whether you prefer your rice slightly firmer, softer, or with a particular chewiness, you have the power to customize it to your exact preference. This is a game-changer for rice enthusiasts who have very specific desires for their grains. Durability and ease of cleaning are also addressed. The inner pot features a non-stick coating, which is crucial for preventing rice from sticking and making cleanup incredibly simple. Just a quick wipe and you're done. And for those days when you're in a rush or simply want an effortless clean, the Auto Clean mode is a fantastic addition. It helps maintain the cooker's hygiene with minimal effort on your part. The cooker also comes with all the essential accessories you'll need to get started: a detailed product manual, a rice spatula for serving, and a measuring cup to ensure you use the right proportions. It's a complete package designed for immediate use right out of the box. Now, let's talk about what makes this CUCKOO CR-1020F stand out, and where it might fall short. On the pro side, the 16 menu options are a massive advantage, offering unparalleled versatility for different types of rice and other dishes. The large capacity is perfect for families and entertainers. The fuzzy logic technology ensures consistent, high-quality results without constant monitoring. The My Mode function is a truly innovative feature for those who want to experiment and perfect their rice to their personal taste. The non-stick inner pot and Auto Clean mode make maintenance significantly easier. The digital interface is clean and straightforward, and it comes with all necessary accessories. However, no product is perfect. For a single person or a very small household, the 10-cup uncooked capacity might be overkill. While the features are comprehensive, the sheer number of options and the My Mode function might initially seem a little intimidating for someone who just wants to press a button and get plain white rice, though the basic functions are very easy to use. The price point for a rice cooker with this many advanced features will likely be higher than a basic model. In conclusion, the CUCKOO Micom Rice Cooker CR-1020F is a premium appliance for anyone who values perfectly cooked rice and enjoys the flexibility to experiment with different grains and textures. Its advanced fuzzy logic, extensive menu options, and the unique My Mode function make it a standout product in the crowded rice cooker market. If you're looking to elevate your rice game and bring a sophisticated level of control to your kitchen, this CUCKOO cooker is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.